Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can cancel your Monday.com subscription. In order to do so, here we are at our team page on Monday.com. And the first thing we could take a look at here is if we come here to the top left-hand corner where it says See Plans and click on that, then you could see that currently we have 14 days left on our free trial. And here it says that we can downgrade to the free plan. However, if we click that, it does say that we still have 14 days on the pro trial. So what I can gather from the information that's on the site is that once the pro trial is over, then you should be able to come and downgrade to the free plan. If you scroll down, we can find a little bit more information here. It says, can I change my plan? And here it says that we want to go into our admin section and click on the billing option. And from there, we can click on change plan. So if we go back here, we're just going to X out. We're going to go to our account icon up at the top right hand corner. We're going to select admin or administration. And then from here, we're going to select billing. And you can see that right now we are set to the pro subscription and we have 14 days left on our free trial. So from 14 days from now, we should be able to come back here and cancel our subscription. If you want to, you can also contact support. You can see the button here if you need assistance with canceling, or you can even close your account entirely. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.